Hello, everybody. This is Nick Totero, Professor of Information Technologies and Computer Science, Lakeland Community College. The video you're about to watch was created a few years ago, and over the years, I tried to constantly improve my Blackboard sites or my Blackboard Ultra sites. So what you're going to see will probably look different. The Blackboard portion or the Ultra portion of the video will look different than your particular site, and that's just because over the years, I've improved them. What's more important is what you do on the zyBook side. So it really doesn't matter what the Blackboard site looks like or how you get to it or whatever. It's just once you launch and once you click over to the zyBook side, things will stay the same. So again, please do not worry about my Blackboard site in this video is different than the Blackboard site you'll see. It's more important that you understand what is occurring on the zyBook side. With that being said, let's watch the video. Hello everybody, Nick Totero here. If you're still a little concerned about Zybooks not populating your grade from Zybooks back to Blackboard, I'm going to show you what I'm going to call the big button. Now, to do this, I've already demonstrated in a previous video, but let's just take a look one more time. So let's take a look at my screen. If you look at my screen, so there's no smoke and mirrors here. I'm going to go to Gradebook. And oh my God, my all that work that I did at Zybooks didn't populate the gradebook. What can I do? Well, here's the big button. Go to participation activities, click on that link, launch it. Let it warm up. And here, don't go into the book. Go right up here. You see how it says My Library, book title, and then the specific area that you're in the book. Go to the book title, click on it. And right here, here's the big button. Submit to Blackboard Learn. You see all this stuff that I've done and not done. I'm going to submit it to Blackboard Learn. Close it up. Let's hit the big button, another big button. This time we'll hit it for the challenge activities. So we'll click on it. We'll launch. Give it a second to boot up. My machine's a little slow. Sorry about that. Again, look up here where it says Zybooks, My Library, book title, and the area you're in. Go to book title, click on the book title. It's going to bring up this particular information. There's our big button there, Submit to Blackboard Learn. You can see the stuff that I've done and not done. Let's submit to Blackboard Learn. And let's do it one more time, and this time let's do it with the Zylabs. Now in this particular example, it's in another week. And I will go to Zylabs for Module 01. Click on it. Launch. Give it a second. Again, go up to your book title up here. Click on that. Here's our big button. Submit to Blackboard Learns. You can see that I've already done the labs up here. Submit to Blackboard Learns. And if I close this up now and I go to Gradebook, you can see that my participation activity was recorded, my challenge activity recorded, and my zyBook programming labs were recorded. Again, I refer to this as the big button. It's going to work every time. I've talked to some people, other professors. They said they just tell their students to do that at the end of every chapter after they've completed everything. So if you run into a situation that you're not sure about, please contact me, but I'll probably give you these instructions. All right. That being said, let's go on and learn something.